everyone. Sunday morning. It's absolutely beautiful outside, and it's about 45 degrees this morning. And this thing is coming out of hibernation. Not sure what we're doing with this springtime, but it's definitely gonna get some work done to it. But before we get to that, we're going to get to this. We're going to finally put this transmission back in place. We finally received our torque converter. It's over there. And you know what? Let me get this MX-5 out of the way and give you a walkthrough underneath this 72 Chevelle. Let you know what's going on. Give me a second. She's been parked since October. Doesn't look like we're going to get much of a winter, so we'll take her out for a drive today. Stretch her legs. I'm not sure what I want to do to it. Maybe some coilovers, maybe some flares, because it does scrape a little. Yeah, look at that. That's from it scraping. Maybe I'll cut those quarters and put some wide flares on there. Or maybe I'll just make a mess of things. Okay, so let's go inside and take a look at this Chevelle. So here's the transmission fluid. You got with 6-7 quarts. There's the old torque converter, monster transmission. I believe is a 3000 stall, and this one is 3600 TCI, brand new. And I do have a front seal somewhere. It's not in there, but I do have it. I can't really get in there. I forgot to bring the light for the GoPro, but hopefully you can see. just enough. Well, this is a project that hopefully can get started this weekend. See your 3-inch exhaust system with the flow masters. I believe these are race mufflers. Super loud. And we're gonna check to see what's going on with this front end. I don't know if you noticed that, but if you look at that stabilizer link, see how it leans to the left just a little bit? And then you take a look at this one, and it's a lot straighter. And so this front wheel here, when you go over bumps, it scrapes a little. This does have 2-inch drop spindles. I believe we changed those coil springs. I'm not sure. I can't remember. This was done a long time ago. This is all going to get rewired. We're going to straighten that out, make that look a lot neater. But yeah, that's the Chevelle, and you guys will see that soon. Hopefully the next video you'll see some work being done to this, and maybe we can get it done over the weekend and take it for a little drive. There is other things that need to be done. It needs new spark plugs. We need to go over the whole system, change the oil. But there you have it, the 72 Chevelle and the NC1. This one definitely needs something new. I've had it like this for a few years. I think I want to change it up a little bit. We'll see what I can come up with. Maybe you guys can leave me a few suggestions if you guys are into Miatas, MX-5. Just as far as looks, for now, it looks good. I just think it can look a little better, and then after that we'll see about a supercharger. I'm not willing to swap out this engine. There's nothing wrong with it. I think a supercharger would just be enough. Anyway, talk to you soon, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.